Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, this is Shepa. I make makeup, beauty, lifestyle, this kind of videos, and if that is your area, please consider subscribing to my channel. And today's video is going to be another really short and simple and sweet video. And today I'm going to show you how I wear my eyelashes. This is a really simple way of wearing eyelash that I just recently found. I have always struggled wearing eyelash, and when I found this idea and I'm like, oh my god, I need to film this video and show you guys how I do that. This is just so easy. It just takes a couple of minutes. So all you need is just regular eyelash and also eyelash glue, which is I'm going to be using this one, and this is by Kiss, and this eyelash glue looks like an eyeliner, but if you're wondering, this is not magnetic eyelash glue or anything, just a regular eyelash glue, but it looks like eyeliner, so it just makes it so easy. And the traditional regular way of wearing eyelash, using those regular eyelash glue, I'll show you. Give me a second. So here, this is the eyelash glue usually we use. So that for that one, you have to put the glue into your eyelash and you have to sit it and wait for it to get a little more dry to put it on. But for this one, it just takes it, when you're applying the glue, right after that you can right away put your eyelash, and it just takes a few minutes to get it done. So I just thought it was really effective, easy, quick, and very beginner friendly. So yeah, let's get started. Again, here is a close-up view of the eyelash glue that I'm using today. It is by Kiss, and I bought it from Ulta Beauty, and I think it was $9.99. So yeah, just about $10, and this is amazing. I love this product a lot. So here I'm just using this eyelash glue very close to my actual lash. So even if you are not good at eyeliner, you don't have to be good at eyeliner to apply this. Just press it as close as your actual eyelash, and you don't have to do a wing or anything. Just hold the eyelash glue flat and just press it very close to your actual eyelash, and that's just about it. And the eyelash that I'm using today, it's really cheap eyelash that I bought from Amazon. So you have to cut the eyelash at the end. Just make sure that it's the actual size of your eye, and that's the only thing you have to do. And then just use a tweezer and just put it down. Make sure you look down. Hold your mirror down in your hand so that you can just look down when you are using it, so that when you're putting your eyelash, you're putting it really close to your actual eyelash. And that's just about it. For this eyelash glue, you don't have to wait for it to dry or to make it more sticky or anything. Here right now I'm using an actual eyeliner to just finish up the inner corner so that it doesn't look like I have a halfway eyeliner or anything. By the way, that eyelash glue comes in two different colors, like white and black. I like the black one so that it makes it more look like an eyeliner, and so that later I can just use an actual eyeliner and draw a wing or just do the inner corner to finish it up. So I like that a lot. Here I'm trying the second eye again to just show you how I do that one more time. I'm using that eyelash glue and then taking the eyelash and just putting right in the middle, and then I will do the inner corner and then the outer corner, and that's it. It's really simple, quick, and easy. The best thing that I like about this technique is that I do not have to put glue into the fake lash. Usually it makes it more thick, and then I don't have to wait for it to be more dry, more sticky, and so all those complicated things you don't have to do. Just draw that eyelash glue in your eyes just like eyeliner, and then stick your lash in there, and then just finish it up using a regular eyeliner, the inner corner, and if you want you can draw a wing as well. So that's just about it. How easy was that? Let me know, how did you like it? Do you want to give it a try? Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you back again in another video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. Bye bye.